Jacob, ng Kapada, ng Lipona, ng Angels, kaya kayo. Ng Galo pala, ikaw lang din pala yun.
Ako lang din.
Isa ka. Yun. So, message para sa ating pangatlong citizenship. Yan. First is Filipino citizen. Second is senior citizen. And third, most important thing that she acquired. So, we're ready. Pero wag muna. Hindi pa naman. Kakatulay pa lang eh. Kakago pa lang yung buhay. So, sabi nila, life begins at 40, but this time, life begins at 60. Yan. Mukha bang 60? Hindi. Makaya ka. Anyway, 59 pa naman siya.
Sapagkat pag nakikita ka namin, sumasaya kami.
Sila ka lang sumasakit.
Isa kang malaking pagpapala
Yes, amen.
sa bawat isa sa amin. Yeah, and we wish you Merry Christmas. Amen. And may we have more celebration of goodness of life, of serving the Lord. Amen.
Yay!
Meaningful life as you venture and look across
Iiyak na yata yan.
across another year of your life. And we also pray that your prayer will be answered. Whatever it is, whatever prayers, whatever petition you have, may the Lord grant it to you.
Amen.
And bless you.
Amen.